Hi everyone. So this is the error that I encountered today. So what happened is that I have installed the latest version of Visual Studio 26, 2026. Initially I installed Insider version and it was working, and then there was few updates that I did. And whenever then I started to create new project, I started to get this sort of errors. So I went to Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, gone through a few forms, and everybody was saying maybe the installation is corrupted or something like that. So because of that, this error is coming. So that was not the case. So what I have done, I have removed, like I have followed all the steps, did each and everything. Like here is a screenshot where I have reinstalled the like a full SDK, and then when I went to a PowerShell or CMD, I tried to .NET list SDKs, and it was not showing. And like from CLI, I was not able to create a new project. From Visual Studio, I was not able to create the project. So what I have done then, I have removed Visual Studio 2026 and installed 2022. Uh, so after installing, still I was facing the same error. So after spending some time, I came to know that the error fix is really minor. So even though, for example, if I do a .NET List SDK, I don't see anything. And if I go into my C drive, um, I would be able to see all the SDKs listed there. So, so for example, let me go to my drive C, and this is my C drive. In here, I would go to program file, and uh, there should be .NET. There we go. And here you can see we have a .NET exe file. And if I open CMD right here, and if I say .NET list SDKs, you can see I have quite a few SDKs installed. But when doing it from anywhere else, it was throwing that error that I have shown you earlier. That error was saying one or more error were encountered while creating a project, and I tried all sort of projects, not just with the Blazor, and it was saying the generated project content may be incomplete. The SDK Microsoft.NET SDK Blazor WebAssembly specified could not be found, and it has provided me some other details as well. So the error, like from that, I knew that there would be a problem with the environment path. So I went there and make sure that I have this environment variable right there. Uh, and where is the path? That come on, not able to see that. And if I go there in environment variable, in the path edit, you can see that I have a um, C program file .NET right there. But the thing was that when I installed 2026 Visual Studio version, it put 86 on top of the .NET. So what you need to do to fix this error? It's really simple. Just move down this one and the reference to X64-bit version, because usually in these days most of the people have 64-bit Windows. Just make sure that it hits 64.NET folder first and then the 86 one. So now if I update this one and I apply the changes, close the old version of CMD, close this, open a new one, and if I just do .NET list SDKs, and I can see that. And if I now go to Visual Studio. So if you do these changes on 2026, it will work. I just does not have that much space in my C drive to install both. So I have installed 2026. But after installing 2026, if you start to see this error, because on the form I have seen a lot of recommendation, reinstallation, removal of all the .NET components and stuff like that, it will basically not work. So what you have to do is just move x86 variant of .NET folder below the x64 one, as I have shown you in the environment variable. So now if I go to the, for example, Blazor web app, next, come on, create, and voila, it has created the whole project, and there's no error that was I encountering first initially. So that's the fix. So please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.